Dude, let's go!
I'll beat you.
Nah, bro, I'm gonna beat you! No, I'm so low on health, bro. Oh, bro.
No, no,
I
no,
got you!
no!
Let's go, bro!
Anyways, my mom told me I have to go home. But you want to meet at the lake? You want to meet at the lake?
Sure, bro, I'll just be, like, what time?
7.
7? Alright, I'll just be, you know what? It's a pretty long walk, I'll just chill at the lake.
Okay, bro, we're here. Let's go. Let's go
This
to the
is gonna
water.
be so fun, bro.
Man, I can't wait.
Same, bro. Oh, we're finally here. Ah! Ah! What was that? Can you check for me?
Bro, it's an arrow.
Ah! Dude, it hurts, bro.
I'm gonna call the police.
Okay. Oh my gosh, bro. Finally, my mission's done. What? Who are you? Don't worry about it. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Breaking news, okay? There is a killer and a victim. The victim is unknown. Everybody stay safe and come inside. We will report you with more news if we find some.
Breaking news? I gotta go lock my doors. Who's that? Bro, who are you walking into my house? Oh.
Oh shoot.
This must be the place. Police,
I hate
police,
my
there's a
job.
person in my house.
Wait, what?
Oh, what is
Wait,
he doing?
show me, where's your house?
Okay, I show you.
Yeah, show us. Oh shoot, there's an wait, bro. This could be evidence right here. You gotta take it back to our station.
Okay.
Let's go.
I appreciate everyone who came at the James Square. I hope you're in a better place. Do anybody have any words or questions to ask me how it happened?
I'm so sorry, Jason. I don't know why I didn't come back. Whoever killed you, I promise I'll kill them back. What are you doing here? Get out.
I said no.
How dare you?
I am Jason's killer.
I don't care. Get in there. Oh no, I need to run.
I always come back.
Guys. Man, I'm gonna call my friend. Hey yo bro, can you come over? You can? Okay, I have a story to tell you. Hey Jimmy.
Yo, I'm here. What's up?
I need to tell you a story. So you
Okay.
remember that killer that was on the news, right?
Yeah.
He was the one who killed my friend.
What?
Yeah, so I was thinking about making like a decoy person so we can trap him and kill him.
Alright. Let's do that.
Let me put this right here. Okay, I'm gonna go hide under the bridge now.
What the frick? This isn't a human? What
Yeah,
is
it's
this?
not.
Who are you? What do you think you are? Time to finish you. What are you
And now
doing?
for you. This is for everyone you killed, including Jason. This is what you get
can't
for
beat
everybody.
me.